top of the bridge here in Da Nang, no? Just to see below yung traffic situation. Past 9 p.m. yung Dragon is here. This one. Ito yung pinuntahan ng mga tao. Thousands of people here to watch the fire breathing dragon of Da Nang. Ganda, oh. Ganda. Nice. No, this is yung Da Nang Bay. Dito pa yung magandang view eh. No? Daming mga tourist here. Ito yung close up. No? Of course, the proud Vietnamese flag. Andiyan, no? Close up look ng dragon. Ay, kanina kasi, sorry, ang daming mga tao. This is a close up. This is Da Nang Bay. Touristing nga talaga yung Da Nang. Yung mo, dahil yung mga ilaw, oh. It's really ready na. Hinog na hinog. Infrastructure is hinog na hinog na. Wow. The final look of the dragon here in Da Nang. It's right at the center of the beach.